Okay, got a lot going on in this house, but currently right now what's going on is grinding down the concrete. Got a 50 grit diamond blade, and larger aggregate is starting to come out, and the slope is getting better. But I still got quite a bit of work. Right in there, I'm going to bring out some more aggregate, and back in there a little bit more aggregate, and then back in here I got to just clean that up a little bit. There's a little bit that needs done, but that's what we're looking at there. Over here, got the stairs that I took out, and the reason we're taking that out, or I'm taking that out, is because this was not level. These were not level, and Kevin and I hoisted that up, or jacked it up about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, and it still needs to go up just about another quarter inch. And those stairs were horrendous. I mean, just completely idiotic. Matter of fact, if you look over here, there's termite damage inside there. I mean, there's not termites in there, but you can see where when the termites were here, they were eating it. And this is holding up. It's actually holding up the stairs to the second floor. Oh, big shocker. Wonder why they're leaning. So all of this has to come out. Underneath here, there's termite damage in here too. I don't know if you can see it, but trust me, there is. I mean, it's okay. It's fairly solid wood, but it's just contorted. Look, I mean, it's not even level. You can see how uneven that is. So that landing will be the last thing to come out. Jack this up, and then see that steel beam right there? I'm putting another one right here. You can see I busted up the concrete. So that's where the beam I just got welded today. And so, see how you have a perpendicular board? That's what that waterproof board right there is for. So it'll go up there, and I sealed up all those joists, so they are good. Over here, check this out. There's the start of my elevator. Got some super struts there. Got them. It won't be long before I start working on that. Oh, body dryer. Get out of the shower, guess what? You just flip that switch and it'll blow dry you. So there's gonna be a total of 4 of these things in there. You can see it. Anyways, this is just the shell, or the internal shell. There'll be something like a box of some sort around that. It'll look cool. And yeah, that's it.